I had some of the top flowers, but not much. That was the only bad part. You can't even go to kids.